Ever wondered how a single click could cost a company millions? Ponder on the infamous WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 that wreaked havoc across 150 countries, affecting more than 200,000 computers. It all started with a simple, unsuspecting click. Welcome to a journey through the world of security awareness and training, where a single decision can make or break an entire organization. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly changing, and the only way to stay ahead is to be armed with knowledge and the right skills. Take a moment to consider the case of Sony Pictures Entertainment in 2014. A massive cyber attack led to the theft of confidential data, unreleased films, and sensitive personal information. The aftermath, a damaged reputation, legal complications, and an estimated $15 million spent on investigation and remediation. If only there had been a strong emphasis on security awareness and training. Now, let's delve into the complex web of stakeholders. From the diligent security analyst, who is the organization's first line of defense, to the IT manager or CIO, who ensures that network and information systems are up to the task. The IT administrator, who keeps the systems running smoothly, and the end user or customer, whose trust and satisfaction are paramount. Not to forget the non-IT director, staff, and other significant stakeholders like the C-suite, general counsel, vendors, auditors, law enforcement, and the attorney general. Each stakeholder has unique concerns and responsibilities, and understanding them is key to effective communication. For instance, when addressing stakeholders with security concerns, it's crucial to consider who is reading the recommendations, what's being recommended, the impact, how it will be implemented, and how it will be documented. Remember, awareness and training programs are ongoing efforts. They must be flexible enough to adapt to the latest threats and issues. It's not just about implementing new technologies or applying security to existing ones, but also about fostering a culture of security awareness and vigilance. To sum it up, security awareness and training are not mere checkboxes to be ticked off. They are vital elements of an organization's defense strategy. The Sony Pictures and WannaCry incidents serve as stark reminders of the heavy price that complacency can exact. So, the next time someone asks, how important is security awareness and training? Remember the stories of Sony Pictures Entertainment and the WannaCry ransomware attack. Because in this digital age, knowledge isn't just power, it's armor. Remember, the lens of security never blinks. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Until next time, keep those firewalls up and those passwords strong.